Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So let's do some different kinds of hairstyles in our video. So here I'm just taking the half part of the hairs and just putting a plait of it. Same way another half I'm just plaiting them. And then let's rotate it and make a flower. So here's a beautiful bunny flower that has been rotated and plaited together. So wonderful hairstyle. So let's move on. So here taking one side and the other side using a rubber band and then twisting our hair. Slowly the one side of the part is being twisted and just twisting it again and then just rotate it and using a rubber band put a clip. So take half part of the hairstyle with the right and the left and then twist it and again make a flower. After the flower is been made, just spread the plait of the hairs and then rotate it. So here's a beautiful flower bun hairstyle and the clip has been inserted. Same way as it follows, here I am making a plait, French plait is being done and plait the hairs and put a pearls on it. So after that just plait it one side of the hair and then make a bun. So same way it follows to the other side and using a clip. So hairs is being plaited and then rotate them, twist them. After the twisting just make a bun and put a rubber band. So same way using a ponytail, use a rotator and then rotate it. Half side of the plait is rotated in the bun and then plait it in the middle. Spread the hairs of the plait and here's a beautiful flower in the center. So let's move on. So here I'm just making a French plait. So here again a rubber band is being inserted and the plait is being done. So using a hairstyle pin, I'm just pulling it up and making a stars and sticking onto the hairs. Same way as it follows, make half part of the hair plait then and spread the hairstyle. So after that, same way as it follows to the left side too. So then rotate them and pin it on the other side and here's a beautiful bun. So same way for all the hairstyles it's been done. So here I'm making a plait, French plait and then spreading the hairs and then rotating it them. So every girl likes hairstyles. So here's a video tutorial that is made of different kinds of hairstyles. So as video is being shown. So plait the hairs and make a flower. Same way it as followed and put a clip on it. So from the top of the hairstyle just plait them and again take it a rubber band, just spread them. So after spreading it, same way as it follows. So spread them. So here's a beautiful bunny hairstyle with a plait that is being made. So let's move on. Take a half part and keep it on the right side. Rotate the hair and then twist it one by one using and then combine them with a rubber band and then plait them. So after the plaiting, just rotate them and stick on the other side using a clip. So here I'm segregating the hair in 3 ways. So the center part is being rotated and then twisted and here's a ponytail. Thank you.